Welcome, this is the Motorola Moto E22i and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see media, call, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes you should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. Here you will see the Dolby Atmos section. You could just turn them on or turn them off. We could activate also or turn off the Don't Disturb mode to allow some calls, messages or notifications from any people or apps, to set the shadow, to change the duration for quick settings, and to display options for hidden notifications. Let's go back. We could switch phone ringtone. In media section we could pin media player and show media recommendations. After that, let's go back. Here we got the vibration for calls. We could just switch it from never to always vibrate, and vibrate then ring first, then ring gradually. We could also switch default notification and alarm sounds, and we could activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration, and power on and power off sounds. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.